Hello and welcome to Stan's 360 World and Stan's 360 Travel. I'm your host, Stan Horiza, and today, as you can see, I'm flying my drone here, but I'm at the HIGUERA Adobe Park in Milpitas, California. Now, this park dates back to the 1870s when Marion Weller donated the lands and the adobe that you see here, along with the building on the left, the wood structure known as the casino. Those were donated to the city of Milpitas for a park, and it is now a very nice park to visit. The building that you see, the adobe building, that dates back to the original owner, who was Jose Higuera. Jose was granted the lands by the last Spanish governor of California, and that was back on October 4th, 1821. He built a ranch here, Rancho Los Tocitos, I believe it's pronounced. It's the Ranch of Little Turtles is how it translates, and he ran his ranch out of these buildings here. Now, these buildings have been renovated. There's been restrooms added, and they now can be rented out to the public if you reach out to the city of Milpitas, or they can be toured inside as well. So there you go. That's a quick view of the HIGUERA Adobe Park. Thanks so much for watching. Click around, like, subscribe, all that stuff on my channel, and keep exploring your world.